With me today is Sarah Barr, the Executive Director of Wild Goose Creative. Hi, Sarah. Thanks for being here.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me today. I am having a fangirl moment being in Kate's kitchen doing quick bites. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, that makes me really happy to have a fangirl. It's pretty cool. Well, I'm just so excited to learn more about Wild Goose Creative. Why don't you tell me about the organization and the fun name? Is there a story there?
So Wild Goose Creative is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to build a creative community at the intersection of art, risk, and meaning. And the name behind Wild Goose came from its founders in 2006, where a group of like-minded creatives wanted to build, like I said, a community to appreciate the wild side of artists as well as the nurturing and nesting of the arts and career and building that creative community.
Yeah, I love that. That's a great juxtaposition of those two kind of goals.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Well, why don't you tell me a little bit about the recipe you've chosen and what we're going to make today?
So today we're going to make blueberry crisp.
Oh, yum.
It's a favorite of mine. I love entertaining in my home for family and friends, and this is a quick, easy thing that you can make for dessert and or a breakfast.
Right,
even.
with coffee the next day.
So good, so good.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. So why don't we get started with the list of ingredients?
Sure. The ingredients we'll need today are 4 cups of blueberries, and for the crisp topping, 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, a 1/2 cup of pecans, a 1/2 cup of almond meal, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil.
I love that it's such a simple list of ingredients. I mean, these are really wholesome ingredients, and you'd have them already. You could just make this whenever you wanted.
Absolutely. That's what makes it so easy and accessible, right?
Great. So we've got our oven preheated to 350. What's the first step that we're going to do?
We're going to make the crisp topping.
Okay,
So
the best part,
The
really.
best part. It gets crunchy and it's divine.
Okay,
So we're going
great.
to start with our oats and mix the oats, pecans. You will add the almond meal
Okay.
and then the olive oil.
Okay. Well, does the olive oil give it kind of an
Kind of a
earthiness,
earthy,
or-
rich flavor.
Yum.
And then maple syrup for sweetening.
Of course. Here we go. Okay. Do you want to give those a stir?
Sure, then we mix it all up.
Oh, it's so simple, so fresh. Is this something you grew up making, or did you kind of come about this?
So I grew up, my family loved to garden, and we have fresh berries and fruits on our property, and this recipe is something that we would make often. And then just as I grew up, it just kept on going, right?
So
like
easy
it's
and
kind of an
delicious.
easy traditional,
I love that.
multi-generational.
Yeah, treat.
Treat.
So while you're mixing that up, why don't you tell me a little bit more about the space at Wild Goose Creative?
So at Wild Goose, we have gallery space for artists to use, but we also have 3,000 square feet of event space.
Oh, wow.
We have a stage, ADA compliant restrooms, a sound system, a projector. We have a kitchen,
So you're equipped for events, really anything.
all kind of creative events. And we take pride in having accessible and affordable space within our gallery. And the backdrop is local artists.
Right, that sounds
displaying
perfect.
their works.
It really removes a barrier for a lot of people too, either to show their work or to have an event.
Yes, and that's part of our mission.
That's the goal. I love it. That's incredible. All right, so getting back to the recipe, we've got our beautiful blueberries. What happens next?
We just put everything together.
So simple.
So let's put the blueberries in the bottom.
You don't have to prep the pan or anything.
Nope.
Just, oh my gosh,
Just
it really is easy.
dump the blueberries in.
Great.
And you really can use any type of fruit that you would like, whatever you have on hand, or whatever's in season, right?
nice.
You can. I have done pears, I've done blueberries and pomegranates, apples in the fall. You mix the little
versatile.
spices into the topping, and you
Yeah.
can definitely
Just change it
change up.
Okay, so do I just sort of
Yeah,
place
just
it on?
place it on top.
kind
There's
of
no
all
rhyme or
over?
reason.
Oh, so
Just make sure
simple.
it's covered
Covering.
and
Okay.
even throughout the
This
throughout
topping
the dish.
smells incredible. I'm really looking forward
It
to
has
tasting
that olive oil makes it hearty, but then it has
Yeah.
that sweetness and the crunch of the pecans are just. And then once it's done baking, the bubbly
the
juices of the blueberries, it's just
Okay, so just kind of
Delicious.
give it a little even spread.
Yep.
Oh, it already looks so pretty and fresh. Okay, then we just pop it in the oven. How long does it bake for?
30 to 40 minutes.
All right, let's do it. Sarah, while that bakes, why don't you tell me a little bit more about what Wild Goose has to offer?
So Wild Goose has several programs and workshops available for the creative community. We collaborate with Heartland Bank and provide a Business of Art workshop every first Monday of the month, where we bring
cool.
in arts professionals as well as the business sector to go over certain topics such as how to apply for an EIN or how to file for taxes.
Yeah, no, that's like incredible knowledge and resources for people who may not have access to it.
It is, and we also bring in professional artists to tell their story, to help with building, just the marketing plan and all of the things that you need to be a creative professional.
Right, and be successful.
We also have an arts incubator, which pairs a professional artist with someone who is looking to either start a side hustle or engage in more of a artistic career. And they have one-on-one sessions. We also have workshops available monthly for them to learn different topics such as budgeting and really giving the artist all the resources that they need to be successful.
That's wonderful, because I would imagine, artists may not have the chance to kind of get those resources or learn that process of the business side, the marketing side. Like, such an incredible resource.
It is, and it allows artists to dive in professionally, but again, going back to our space that we have available, it allows them to do solo shows for the first time or collaborate with each other to do a exhibition, a collaborative exhibition. And it's building a community.
Yeah, it sounds like it really is. That's amazing. Oh my goodness.
Blueberries are all bubbly.
Oh, it looks incredible. Smells equally amazing. Okay.
Oh, look at those juices.
Beautiful. So pretty. So colorful. Well, we waited patiently for it to cool a little bit, served it up into a dish. I'm going the dessert route with a little scoop of vanilla ice cream. A little extra fun. Should we give it a taste?
Let's do this.
Oh, I'm so excited. Looks wonderful. Smells amazing. So fresh and simple.
It's pretty darn good.
Crunchy topping, juicy blueberries. It's perfect and so simple and fresh and lovely. Just like you.
Aw.
Thanks for being here, Sarah.
Thanks for having me. It was a great pleasure, so thank you.